Add 1 egg. Salt to taste. Pepper powder 1 tablespoon. Cornflour 3 tablespoons. A pinch of red food color. Water 3 tablespoons. Mix together until well combined. Boneless meat 850 gram cubed. Coat the masala well and marinate for 1 hour. Oil as required for frying, on medium heat. Deep fry until golden brown on both sides. Once done, remove from the oil and set aside. On high heat add oil 4 tablespoons, garlic 3 tablespoons minced, ginger 3 tablespoons minced, 2 green chilies. Sauté until 2 to 3 minutes. Soya sauce 2 tablespoons, white vinegar 1 teaspoon, tomato ketchup 3 tablespoons, salt 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Sauté for 2 minutes. Red food color ½ teaspoon. Mix well. 1 onion chunks. 1 capsicum chunks. Mix well. Water 1/4 cup. Cook for 2 minutes. Add fried meat. Few coriander leaves chopped. Mix well and meat Manchurian is ready. Ready to serve.